Everyone can build a toy AI agent. Nobody can get them to work in production. Google just solved this. A Google Cloud engineer revealed their full agent stack: Agent Development Kit, MCP integration, Agent Engine for managed deployment, and Agent to Agent protocol for cross framework communication. All designed to run Claude at enterprise scale. 3 files to build an agent, 1 command to deploy it. Here's how it works. Why do AI agents break in production? 3 reasons. 1. The landscape is fragmented. Dozens of frameworks, tools, and protocols. None of them talk to each other natively. 2. Integration complexity. You build one agent with one framework, but you need it to work with agents built on different frameworks. Making that communication happen is a nightmare. 3. Operational overhead. Even if you build the agent, you need monitoring, logging, session management, scaling, all the infrastructure that production demands. Most teams spend more time on ops than on the agent itself. Google's answer: a 4 layer agent stack. Layer 1, ADK, Agent Development Kit. Open source, code first, developer friendly framework for building agents. Layer 2, MCP integration, built in from day 0. Your agents can consume any MCP server for tools and context. Layer 3, Vertex AI Agent Engine, a fully managed platform that deploys, scales, and monitors your agents in production. Layer 4, Agent to Agent Protocol, an open protocol that lets agents built with different frameworks communicate seamlessly. ADK plus MCP plus Agent Engine plus A2A. That's the stack. Claude on Vertex AI. You access Claude models through Vertex AI Model Garden, Google's centralized hub for foundation models. Claude 3.7 Sonnet is available now. Claude 4 integration is coming. You get the full power of Claude with Google Cloud's enterprise infrastructure, security, compliance, scaling, monitoring. The best model on the best cloud. And ADK treats Claude as a first-class citizen show, native integration, not a wrapper. Building an agent with ADK is ridiculously simple. 3 files. An agent.py with your agent logic. You define the name, model, description, instructions, and tools. An environment file for your variables, and an init file. That's it. 3 files, and you have a working agent. Run ADK run to interact in the terminal. Run ADK web to get a visual debugger that shows exactly which agent is handling which request in real time. ADK supports multiple agent types: LLM agents, sequential agents, and custom patterns. It's designed to feel like normal software engineering, not a science experiment. MCP integration is built in from day 0. 2 ways to use it. 1. Connect existing MCP servers as tools. Whatever MCP server exists out there, your ADK agent can use it immediately. Calendar access, database queries, API calls, file systems, anything exposed through MCP, your agent gets. 2. Expose your ADK tools as MCP servers, so other agents can use your tools. The demo showed a multi-agent system: a birthday planner, agent for suggestions, a calendar agent with MCP for scheduling, and an orchestrator that routes requests to the right agent. Different models for different tasks: Claude for planning, Gemini for calendar. Mixed models, one system. The multi-agent architecture is where it gets powerful. You define an orchestrator agent that knows about your subagents. Each subagent has its own model, its own tools, its own instructions. The orchestrator routes user requests to the right agent automatically. ADK's web UI shows you exactly what's happening: which agent is active, what tools it's calling, what decisions it's making. You can debug multi agent systems visually in real time. This is not toy agent orchestration. This is production grade routing with full observability. Agent engine is the production layer. Without it, deploying an agent means wrapping it in fast API, building a container, configuring infrastructure, setting up monitoring, handling sessions. With agent engine, one method call agent engine.create. Your agent is deployed, scaled, and monitored automatically. You get CPU and memory monitoring, query latency tracking, automatic session management, and all interactions logged for evaluation. The platform handles the ops so you can focus on the agent logic. It supports any framework ADK, LangChain, LangGraph, CrewAI. Bring whatever you built. Agent to agent protocol solves the last problem. How do agents built with different frameworks talk to each other? In production, you'll have agents from different teams using different frameworks. A2A is an open protocol based on HTTP and JSON RPC, industry standards. Three concepts: agent skills, what the agent can do, agent cards, a digital business card. Other agents read to discover capabilities. Agent executor manages communication between agents. With these three concepts, you can build networks of agents from different frameworks, all collaborating on complex tasks. Enterprise ready with built in governance and security. Practical steps to get started: 1. Access Claude on Vertex AI through Model Garden. 2. Clone the ADK repository from GitHub, Google/ADK Python. 3. Create your three files: agent logic, environment, init. 4. Run ADK run to test in terminal, ADK web for the visual debugger. 5. Add MCP servers for external tools. 6. Build multi-agent systems with an orchestrator. 7. Deploy to agent engine with one method call. 8. Monitor through the Vertex AI console. Everything is open source. ADK is free. The only cost is the cloud compute and model API calls. Why this matters? Most developers build agents that work on their laptop but die in production. Google's stack solves every layer: development with ADK, tool integration with MCP, deployment with agent engine, cross framework communication with A2A. And Claude is a first class citizen in this stack. You get Anthropic's best model running on Google's enterprise infrastructure. This is how agents go from demo to production, from one developer's laptop to serving thousands of users, from toy to enterprise, from prototype to production in one stack. ADK for building, MCP for tools, agent engine for deployment, A2A for communication, all open source, all running Claude. Comment Vertex, and I'll send you the complete setup guide with code samples and deployment commands. Subscribe. AI is moving faster than anyone predicted. Being ahead isn't optional, it's mandatory. It may cost you a minimal amount of time, but it means the world to us.